Okay, I think I'm going to go ahead and put the cover on it now and see if it all fits. Make sure I get all my screws correct lengths and shit. Try to listen to this airline. Alright. That gasket at. Here's the gasket. It's an O-ring. So these two spots go right here. Flat side goes to the inside. I think we're going to have to put a little fine layer of snot on that to hold it all in there. And then leave the O-ring attached. The primary is probably going to be our answer. That'll help seal up the voids. It's not how this thing should be done, but this cover's pretty chewed up. A lot of scraping to get all the crap out of the groove last time. So it is what it is. Doesn't quite fit 100%, but it's close. Kind of needs to have some snot in there to hold it, looks like. If you don't put something on there, it's going to just fall out. That's probably why these things leak so damn bad. Yeah, it doesn't want to stay put. Yeah, it's going to have to be snotted up to hold it in there. Without a doubt. Great. Well, that'll be fun to do. That'll be a messy job. You're going to have to be able to come back off when you're done. So we'll have to put some grease on the cover to keep it from sticking, because the sticking will go on both sides. Alright, here's our big ass cover. Doesn't line up very well. These bolts are supposed to have these little washers. Yeah. These little washers here don't want to fall over. That goes the end of the Allen bolt. So it helps protect the cover, doesn't eat it up so bad. They still eat up though. Alright, so we got all our covers here. I think blown up or what? No, we're just close. Okay, the rest of them are short. Alright, here's what I got left. I'm thinking these little short stubby ones are for the cover. Should be 5 of those, we got 4. 2 of them have washers, the other ones don't. Looks like we're missing one. There's you. The floor, it's fine. And an extra bolt. 1, 2, 3, 4. These must be for the derby cover. These must be the ones for here. And on the short side, no washers either. Great. Yeah, washers cost money. Yeah, great, the washer took off. Onto the floor over there somewhere. Couldn't just go right to the floor. You had to bounce across the bench all the way across. These screws don't have much engagement. Be short. Could definitely be longer. Especially the way I put helicoil in there. Yeah, these things could definitely be a 1/4 inch longer. These are way short. I think I'm going to try some longer screws. Those are 1/2 inch longer though, so they're too long. We'll look for some shorter in between length. Oh, that's tight. Damn, these things don't have a lot of thread engagement. Geez, they only give you about 3/8 of an inch engagement. You can see the screw here. So it only goes in that far. How many threads you got? We cut these things all really long, so they can be a lot longer than what these are. These bolts are way short. I guess that's why they could get away with those shorty ass little helicoils. Okay, well, I'm not a big fan of the bolts being that short. So these are probably 2 inchers. Well, they're 2 1/4. So I need 2 1/2. Make them longer. Need a lot of them too. That'd be a whole nother problem. Here's I have a bunch. I have a container full. Okay. 1/4 inch more length. That looks a lot better. See, now when you put them in there, see, you get a good over 1/2 inch of thread engagement like it should have, not a 1/4 inch of thread engagement. It's about 5/16 total. This is over 1/2 inch, so that's much better. They made those way too short. That's why I can get away with those shitty ass heel coils that were in there. The bolts are way too short. Now, these don't even have washers on them either, so I just go straight in and see if they have a problem going full depth. Nope. Appear to go right in. These are black anyway, they match the cover. Right in, no washer. This one's tight. Binding. Cutting. Tight. I think that bottomed out. It sure stopped all of a sudden. Okay, I'm going to play this a little bit, and we will come back because I know you're getting bored on these videos on primary cover. We'll be back.